Hello, Assalamualaikum, and a very good day, everyone. Okay, so today we're going to talk about subtopic 7.1, which is Introduction to Promissory Note. Alright, so first of all, we're going to look at the main features of a promissory note. So you can see here, the promissory note, it comes from the word promise. So it's actually a note with a promise. Okay, so there are 7 items that you need to know in the features of a promissory note. Okay, the first one is a maker. What is a maker? A maker is the person that signs the note. Next is a payee. What is a payee? Payee is the person to whom the payment is to be made. Next, the date of the note. The date on which the note is made. The term of the note. The length of time until the note is due for payment. Face value, or which is actually your P, present value, the amount stated on the note. Okay, next, the maturity value, hopefully you remember your S, the total sum of money which the payee will receive on the maturity date. So in a promissory note, there are 2 cases. The first one is a non-interest bearing note. It means there's no interest. Therefore, the maturity value is equivalent to face value. And the other one is interest-bearing note. So your maturity value is actually your face value plus interest. It's actually, remember, your spread. And last but not least, you have to know what is the maturity date. The date on which the maturity value is due. Alright, so for a start, let us try this one. So I'm giving you, this is an example of a promissory note. So you can see here, there's 3,000. The date is on 20th May 2019, and it's read 2 months after date. I promise to pay to the order of Farah Wildani, Ringgit Malaysia 3,000 only, for value received with interest at the rate of 8% per annum until paid. Number 272, and due, which is 2 months, okay, from 20th May, June, July. So it's going to be due on 20th July 2019. Alright, so signed by Muhammad Solahuddin. Okay. So in the promissory note, here are the questions. We need to know who is the maker of the note. Okay, so who signs the note? So the maker is Muhammad Solahuddin. Next, who is the payee of the note? To whom it's going to be paid? Okay, is Farah Wildani. So the payee is Farah Wildani. What is the date of the note? So when is it? It's going to be on the 20th May 2019. The term of the note, how long? It's going to be 2 months. The face value, which is the original value, it's going to be 3,000. Next, the maturity value of note. Is there any interest here? Yep, there is interest, 8%. So you can use the spread. You're going to get face value plus interest. You're going to get 3040. Very clear, right? Okay, next. This is the self-test in page 149. Okay, it says that Ramli MS discounts the non-interest bearing note. Here, look at here. Non-interest bearing note as shown below at a bank that charges a discount rate of 12% on 12 March 2017. So if you look here, it has to be the date. It has to be 12 March 2017. The amount is 12,000. 2 months after date, I promise to pay to the order of Ramli MS, Ringgit Malaysia 12,000 only for value received. Alright, so there's a correction to be made here. In your module, it's written 12th April, but it's actually after 2 months after, from March, April, May. So it has to be 12th May. Okay, so in the module, there are 4 questions. Alright, but then for question 3 and question 4, we will cover this question in your subtopic 7.2. Alright, we go one by one. What is the maturity value? So the maturity value is equivalent to face value. Why? Because it's a non-interest bearing note. So your maturity value is just going to be 12,000. Okay, what is this? This is actually a discount rate. Okay, that one you're going to learn that in 7.2, not to worry. Next, what is the date of the note? The date of the note is the note when it is made, so it's going to be 12 March 2017. Okay, we move on to the self-test 2, page 149. It says that a promissory note dated 23rd March 2012 reads 6 months from date. I promise to pay 5,000 with interest at 4.88% per annum. Find A, the maturity date of the note, and B, the maturity value of the note. Alright, first thing first, what is the maturity date? It's going to be 23rd March 2012 plus 6 months. So it's going to be March plus 6 months is going to be until 23rd September 2012. Alright, B, the maturity value of the note. Okay, do you have any simple interest rate? Yep, you have 4.88%. So your spread here is going to be B, 5,000. 1 plus R rate is 0.0488. How about your T? Your T is 6 months from date. So it's going to be 6 over 12. So your maturity value is going to be 5122. It's very easy. Okay? Alright, so I want you to try self-test 3 and self-test 4 in your module, page 150. And I would love you can share your solutions with your friend in the comment section below. Alright, till then, thank you.